आगे बढ़ते हैं और ब्लू स्टार के मैनेजमेंट से बातचीत करते हैं। नतीजे कल आए और नतीजे मार्केट आवर्स में आए थे। स्टॉक पे काफी प्रेशर था और आज भी देखिए लगभग 3% डाउन है। क्वार्टर वन में कंपनी की रेवेन्यू में 13% का जंप आया, लेकिन मुनाफा और एबिटा मार्जिन पर दबाव रहा। नतीजे और अनुमान से काफी कमजोर रहे। नतीजों और ग्रोथ आउटलुक पर अब बात करने के लिए हमारे साथ जुड़ रहे हैं ब्लू स्टार के एमडी बी त्यागराजन जी। त्यागराजन जी नमस्कार। सीएनबीसी आवाज को अपना वक्त देने के लिए बहुत शुक्रिया। श्रेया बात कर रही हूँ। गुड मॉर्निंग टू यू। सबसे पहला प्रश्न तो यही सर, ठीक ठाक रेवेन्यू बढ़ा लेकिन मुनाफे में वो तब्दील नहीं हो पाया, कारण क्या समझते हैं आप?
Good morning, sir. It's a pleasure interacting with you. I have been talking about this ever since March. First of all, the summer season itself set in much later. It was only on April 20th we started seeing summer season, but it abruptly ended by June first week. It coincided with a period of very high inflation of input material costs as well as depreciation of Indian rupee. On the whole, we had to take a price increase of 13%, but we couldn't pass on that at all. We could pass on barely around 5 to 6%. In the process, the margin for segment two is impacted. Even in segment one, there was erosion of margin, basically due to higher commodity input costs, but our inability to also pass it on to the consumers. Having said that, our treasury sales performance was exceedingly good in the month of May and June. To put it in the right perspective, as per the GFK data, we lost a market share of 50 basis points in April. We gained 10 basis points in May. We further gained 50 basis points in June. So we had done well in terms of tertiary sale, more or less holding on to our tertiary sales market share. The erosion would have been only 30 basis points. In the process, our operating costs are very high due to consumer finance and other consumer schemes,
Right.
and the margin also got eroded due to commodity prices. So this particular thing is an aberration in the track record of Blue Star. I think it will continue for another couple of months. Only with the onset of festival season, the corrections will take place. So there is nothing to worry. This is an aberration. We will get back to our margin performance before the end of this financial year.
ओके ठीक है। तो आप इस पूरे फाइनेंशियल ईयर को लेकर काफी पॉजिटिव हैं। आपने कहा कि फेस्टिव सीजन से थोड़ा मोमेंटम पकड़ेगा, लेकिन तो गाइडेंस क्या रख रहे हैं त्यागराजन जी फिर फाइनेंशियल ईयर 27-28 के लिए? मार्जिन्स क्या रहेंगे, क्योंकि आपने इसी क्वार्टर की वजह से एक इम्पैक्ट बताया है और साथ ही आप प्राइस हाइक पास नहीं कर पाए कंज्यूमर को, उसका एक इम्पैक्ट देखने को मिला। जब आप कह रहे हैं कि आने वाले समय में ठीक ठाक हो जाएगा मार्जिन, तो गाइडेंस क्या है सर?
So, as far as segment one is concerned, there is a huge momentum in data center MEP projects, and you have seen our order book crossing rupees 7,000 crores. We already have more than 1,500 crores of orders booked for data center. We will be closing the year with an order inflow of more than 3,000 crores in data center. So, data center projects and the manufacturing industrial sector is driving the growth. There, the margin outlook continues to be between 6.5 and 7%. There is no problem. In case of the unitary cooling products, I just mentioned to someone else that it is like a four-match series. The first match is lost. There are three more matches, which means there are three more quarters. And I think the revival will happen in Q2 itself, but it may not reflect in an improvement of substantial nature in Q2. It will improve over Q1. And Q3 should be a further revival. Q4 will be further revival. A lot of actions are being taken on that front. And I also think that the market operating prices also will go up. My guidance is I have visibility today. For sure, FY27 margins for segment 2 will exceed 6.5%. Whether it is 7 or 7.5, I am not able to state. It all depends on commodity prices and the West Asia crisis.
जियोपॉलिटिकल टेंशन तो है ही त्यागराजन जी। अच्छा, आपने कहा अभी कि डेटा सेंटर बिजनेस काफी अच्छा कर रहा है, यहाँ पे ऑर्डर्स लगातार बढ़ रहे हैं, तो सवाल प्रश्न मेरे मन में ये उठ रहा था त्यागराजन जी कि क्या डेटा सेंटर बिजनेस आने वाले समय में ब्लू स्टार के एसी रूम एसी बिजनेस को पीछे छोड़ते हुए एक बड़ा बिजनेस का हिस्सा यहीं से आएगा, डेटा सेंटर ऑर्डर से?
Yeah, so a lot of things are happening. It is the happening industry, and the silver line is that our stellar performance there, plus our cash position. You would have seen that we have improved our cash more than 500 crores. We end with over 900 crores of cash. So there is the working capital performance was good in Q1. That will continue. So coming to data center, so I think we will end the year with an order inflow of around rupees 3,000 crores, and we will end with a revenue of close to around rupees 1,500 crore from that segment. If you fast forward within a couple of years, the order inflow should be around rupees 6,000 crores, and our revenue should be 4,000 crore, which is by FY29 close to 20% of Blue Star revenue coming from data center segment alone. So in data center, there are three distinct parts. There is a data center MEP project. We put together the electrical, mechanical systems and cooling. There is a second part, which are the conventional chillers for cooling. There is a third part, which is an advanced cooling, like liquid cooling. Now, the largest market today is for the MEP projects, where we have close to 30% market share. It is hovering around 25% now. And that part is happening. In the chiller, we are having most of the product ranges. Many more products are to be launched. We hold somewhere around 10% market share, and our intention is to grow the market share. The advanced cooling, which is the third part, which will be the future one, we are yet to tie up. That's where it is. So on the whole, you can expect rupees 3,000 crores of order inflow this year and close to 1,500 crores of revenue this year. Fast forward to FY29, 6,000 crores of order inflow and 4,000 crores of revenue.
ओके, इंटरेस्टिंग नंबर्स त्यागराजन जी, डेटा सेंटर्स बिजनेस पर और डेटा सेंटर MEP ऑर्डर्स पर आप अपनी राय रखी, एंड आप बहुत ऑप्टिमिस्टिक है आने वाले क्वार्टर्स को लेकर, एंड ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट फॉर दैट। त्यागराजन जी, बहुत शुक्रिया आज हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए, तमाम सवालों के जवाब देने के लिए, एंड थैंक यू फॉर ज्वाइनिंग अस टुडे।